Good afternoon. My name is TJ Muehlman. I'm founder and CEO of Standard Education. If your district is still using the SDQ, the Strengths and Difficulties Questionnaire, or maybe you're wondering how to implement behavior screening for your middle school and high school students, I'd like to show you the Standard Ed Focus Questionnaire. This is a purpose-built platform designed with one of the largest school districts in Georgia to meet students where they are. Whether it's on a Chromebook, iPad, or phone, the system is simple and easy to use. Let's start with how the students access the system. Students log in with their lunch ID and their last name, and then they're presented with 25 questions that are very simple and age appropriate. We've even translated them into Spanish for multilingual students. And throughout the questionnaire, we've embedded adaptive questionnaires, meaning that depending on how the student answers, if the questions are about self-harm or behavior threats to the students around them or themselves, the system will kick in a subscreener to ask additional questions. This is the most powerful part of the platform that differentiates us from the SDQ. It's adaptive and simple to use. And most importantly, the data that's collected is presented to your district and school personnel in real time. At a high level, district personnel can get a view of how students are performing in aggregate, meaning we show data at the district level and at school level and even grade level, but it's all rolled up to give them a perspective on how things are going. But most importantly, and I think most powerfully, is we present data at the student level for the entire questionnaire, as well as individual subscreeners. So for the SRA or the BTAW or BTAP, behavior threats or self-harm, we should present that data again in real time. And if the student indicates any cause for concern, we send alerts to the behavior threat team at your school district. Universal screening shouldn't create more work for your counselors or your team. Our goal is to present data about your students, how they're performing, and how they're doing, and where they need help as quickly and as efficiently as possible. For more information, reach out to us on standardeducation.com, and we look forward to talking to you.